Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of the tablet, open the Settings app. Scroll down the settings and tap on Device Options. In Device Options, tap on Keyboard and Language. Then tap Languages. Tap Choose Your Language and then tap to select the language you would like to change to. Your language will change immediately. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon Fire tips and tricks.